हां
आणि हांगा ताका गटर आसले. माझे नाव संजय पुंडलिक हरमलकर. माझ्या स्टुडियोन बसला आता सध्या आणि हांगा आमी 3 माड म्हणटात थंय आमी गेल्या 150-200 वर्सां रावता. माझ्या पणज्या पासून रावता. तेन्ना हे एकूच घर आसलें ह्या वाड्याचेर. आता माझ्या घराच्या समोर एक भाटकाराचो प्लॉट आसा आणि त्या माझ्या घराच्या समोर रस्तो आसा. रस्त्याच्या पलतडी नॅचरल उदकाचो गटर आसा, जो पावसान भरपूर उदीक थंय व्हांवून त्या सकयल शेत आसा त्या शेतान वयता. हो गटर बुजोवन तेतून माती घालून, तेतून लोबरां घालून, तेचेर कॉन्क्रीट घालून, रस्त्याच्या पेक्षा हायट वयर करून थंय आतां गटरान 2 शॉपां बांदल्या आणि त्याच्या कुशीकूच आतां घर बांदता. ती राजश्री देविदास हरमलकर, तेचे चेडवां सगळीं, स्नेहा, श्वेता, मंदा बेग आणि तेचो चेडो साईश म्हणून, तेचो जावय, एक चेडूं आनीक प्रिती म्हणून, आनी तिचो घोव अमीत म्हणून, जो मेरशे घर तेंचें. ते सगळीं मेळून हांगा इलिगल घर बांदता. विदावट हे सोडिनासतना, रस्त्या पासून जागा सोडिनासतना, भाटकाराचें परमिशन घेयनासतना, पंचायतीचें परमिशन घेयनासतना घर बांदकाम चालू आसा. म्हणून हांवें पंचायतीक जाब विचारलो की हे घर जे इलिगल बांदतात हांगा, भाटकाराच्या प्रॉपर्टीन बांदतात, भाटकाराची NOC तेंच्यांनी घेतले काय कितें, किंवा पंचायतीची NOC घेतल्या काय कितें. तर ते म्हणू लागले आमचे कडेन NOC ना. हांवें म्हटलें सरपंचाक हांवें आपयलो, हांगा सेक्रेटरीक आपयलो पंचायतीच्या, सडये शिवोले आमची पंचायत. तर तांकां आमी सरपंचाक आपयलो, सेक्रेटरीक आपयलो आनी तांकां हांवें दाखयलें. हे म्हटले इलिगल काम चालू आसा. तर त्या मागीर हांवें रिटन कंप्लेंट दिली पंचायतीक. पंचायतीन तांकां स्टे ऑर्डर दिली, काम करूं नाका म्हणून सांगलें. मागीर तांकां सांगलें तुमचे कडेन जर काही पेपर आसा जाल्यार आमकां हाडून 3 दिसां भितर पेपर दाखोवचे. 3 दिसां भितर तेंच्यांनी पंचायतीक पेपर दाखोवंक ना. म्हणजे एज पर रूल तेंच्यांनी 7 दिसां उपरांत येवन हांगा पंचनामा करपाक जेन्ना येयली सेक्रेटरी आनी सरपंच, तेन्ना तांकांय तेंच्यांनी आडोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो, गाळी घालपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. मागीर पंचायतीच्या सेक्रेटरीन पुलिसांक आपयले आनी पुलिसाच्या समोर त्या बिल्डिंगेचो पंचनामो जाला. तरी आसतना तेंच्यांनी बांदकाम कंटिन्यू दवरलें. म्हणून हांव कोर्टान गेलो आनी स्टे ऑर्डर हाडली. स्टे ऑर्डर हाडल्या म्हणून तेंच्यांनी म्हाजेर केशी घालपाक सुरवात केली. म्हाजेर मॉलेस्टेशन केस घातली की हांव थंय येवचो न्हू परत आडोवपाक म्हणून. म्हाजेर मॉलेस्टेशन केस, हांवें मारला म्हणून, हांव आनी कितें करता म्हणून. आनी जेन्ना हांव तांकां सांगपाक गेल्लो तेन्ना म्हाजेर तेंच्यांनी लोबरां सोडून मारली. ते सगळे पुरावे म्हाजे कडेन आसात. ते पुरावे हांव तुमकां दितलो. मेन उद्देश ह्या झगड्याचो हो आसा. आनी तेंच्यांनी आतां फेसबुकार, वॉट्सॅपार आनी कितें कितें घालतात आनी डायवर्ट करपाचो प्रयत्न तेंचो चालू आसा. बस पुरो. तर हे जेन्ना हांव तांकां सांगपाक गेलो, हांव तांकां बरे भशेन सांगपाक गेलो की तुमी हे गटर बुजोवं नाका आनी तेतून बांदकाम करूं नाका. जाल्यार म्हाजेर तेंच्यांनी लोबरां मारपाक सुरवात केली, गाळी घालपाक, बुरश्यो गाळी घालपाक सुरवात केली. इतलेंच न्हू की तूं BJPचो लिडर, तुजें नांव आमी घाण करतले, तूं BJPचो लिडर आसा म्हणून दादागिरी करता. इतलेंच न्हू, ते म्हाज्या घरान पावले. तेंचे चेडवां सगळीं आनी तेंचे जावय, तेंच्या वांगडा आनीक इतरूय कोण तेंचे सपोर्टर, हे सगळे म्हाज्या घरान पावले. म्हाजें घर फोडलां तेंच्यांनी. तुमकां पुरावे हांवें पुलिसांक दिल्या, पुलिशेन केस केल्या. भितर येवन, घरान येवन, म्हाज्या हॉलान येवन, म्हाजी मिसेस ज्या जाग्यार आराम करता थंय तिणें आपले बँगल काडून दवरलेले आनी आराम करून तेन्ना तो बँगल तेंच्यांनी उखलून येला. म्हाजें घर फोडलां. ह्यान सगळी कंप्लेंट पुलिसांक दिल्ली आसा. पुलिसांनी तेंचेर कारवाई करची. तुमच्या माध्यमांतून हांव सांगता की पुलिसांनी हेंचेर कारवाई करची आनी म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसतलो इलिगल जे खंय कितें कितें घडटा तें जावचें न्हू. हांव समाजकार्य करता, हांव समाजान आसा आनी इलिगल करता ते दोळे झाप जर आमी केली. इतलेंच न्हू, ती शॉपां घातल्या तेंच्यांनी थंय. ती शॉपां हॉर्टिकल्चराचें एक शॉप आसा. इलिगल शॉपाक हॉर्टिकल्चरान भाजी विकपाक कशी दिली. तेज्या कुशीक दुसरें मिठाईचें शॉप आसा. हांकां इलिगल भाटकाराची NOC ना, भाटकाराचें परमिशन ना, पंचायतीचें परमिशन ना. अजिबात काही नासतना गटरान शॉपां बांदल्यात. ताका हॉर्टिकल्चर भाजी विकपाक लायसन दिता. हे कशें होय जाब हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारपाचो आहा आनी गव्हर्मेंटान ते ताबडतोब तेंचें लायसन कॅन्सल करचें, कळ्ळें? आनी पुलिसांनी तेंचेर एक्शन घेवची.
I am Jayashree Harmalkar. I am Mrs. Sanjay Harmalkar. And the situation is, what's happening to us is very shocking. It's our village, our people, and we have been living peacefully for so many years. But now we are harassed so badly by our own peoples, so-called own people. There is a family, as Sanjay must have told you all earlier. And here the main issue is that it's a case of illegal construction. But these ladies, just to divert the topic, they are trying to make it something else. And in these processes, they don't have any legal paper, anything. So they become very aggressive, physical, abusive, and we are thoroughly harassed. And they are making advantage of the fact that he is a man, my husband, and he cannot raise his hand or do anything, whatever they do. And we, women folk in the family, we cannot go to that level. We can't stoop to their level. So they are taking advantage of that and harassing us thoroughly. As you already know the case, the illegal construction case. The point is that any law-abiding person, anyone who believes in law, who believes in his civic senses, responsibilities, and who go to stop or interfere or inquire if something is wrong is going in the village or somewhere else, then he is treated this way, so violently. And our law is such that a woman, whatever charges they wish they can put against a man, and man is thoroughly helpless. And being his wife, and my daughter, and so many relatives, we all are feeling so stupid and hopeless that we cannot do a thing, being completely innocent. So my request is that your law is such, like she went and put a fire against anyone, even to on a minor girl, old lady, old sick man, everyone. They are not sparing anyone. Randomly, they are putting anyone's name. All are harassed. So at least before registering a case, the police, the authorities, they should inquire, they verify, because this way we feel totally trapped and hopeless just because we are law-abiding people. We believe in law. We cannot do a wrong thing, and they are taking advantage of this fact. So there should be something. Now I am a sick woman, very sick I am. And since that day, my pressure is so high. I'm suffering so much. It's so humiliating. Because we earned respect over the years through our hard work. It's tarnished this way so easily. Anyone can come and tarnish our image. So who is going to protect us just because we believe in law? So we are helpless. We should be treated this way. So my request is that there should be something to stop this type of anarchist people who doesn't believe in law, nothing. All they can do is abuse and get physical. I'm sorry to say, they're being women. You can see a man. That's my husband Sanjay Harmalkar. But so many of us in this village, we women, at least 20, you can go and talk to anyone. All will come in witness. They're all harassed. You know, my poor maid, my maid who is standing here, she is working here. She got 3 children. She doesn't have a husband. And just because she's working here, they put her name. You know, such dirty allegations that she's having an affair with my husband in front of the entire village. Where she goes, she's not a woman. She's not a woman. We all are women. In my neighborhood, so many women are sick. You go and find out, because their husband's name are put. So we are going to watch just because they're women, they can do anything. So what about us? We are also women. And we feel, to tell you the truth, we feel very insecure since they're in our neighborhood. And I'm sorry to say, I don't want to say though, they're involved in indecent activities. And there are a lot of men around, and I don't want to say anything, but what I say is we feel insecure because we have young girls in our family, and it's not a good influence. All are getting affected. So my request is, humble request is, that do something about it. We are harassed, and we believe in law, and we want protection from this type of lawless people. Thank you.
Uh, I am Anushka Harmalkar. I am Sanjay Harmalkar's daughter. I am a normal student. I'm just like any other youngster. We have a normal life. We are decent people. We are being harassed in such a way. They come at our house and they hit my dad. They try to attack him with filthy words. They talk about my mom. My mother is a sick lady. She had got cancer, stroke. She has problem of diabetes, high blood pressure. Even my dad is a senior citizen. The way he is treated, nobody should be treated in such a way. We cannot tolerate this. We can't even stoop to that level that we will go out, start putting fake cases on people, start talking badly with elders. No, we are not like that. You know what they do at night? They leave nimbu mirchi outside a house. They say, y'all are cursed, y'all will die, your mom is sick, she will die. They say, your dad, I will kill you. They say like that to my father. How will I feel? How will I feel? You know what else they say about my brother? What they say? See, there was an accident here. A dog just died on the road. Okay, they started. We came running out first. We saw the dog running into the jungle, and they are saying about us that you have attacked the dad. I know how y'all are. This is what they are saying. Just ask anyone. Anyone. People know how we are. We work for animal rights, for human rights. My mom is a writer. She writes for women rights. And I can't believe that these people, they are playing the woman card. Are we not ladies? Are we not being harassed? How will we feel? They are spoiling everyone's name. My cousin's name, my small sister, she's a minor. I'm a young girl. They're spoiling our name. How will we feel? Please, please help us. My dad, he can't do this. He's an old man. He's above 60. He's a senior citizen. He's also sick. He can't go on the road doing all this. Please help us. That's all I want to say.
माझे नाव मंजिरी भारतभूषण हरमलकर. हांव संजय हरमलकरच्या भावाची बायल उलयतां. ते इल्लिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन करताली आनी तेंच्यांनी ते पावसाचें पाणी आडयलें गटारांसून वचत, तेजेरच भिंत काडल्या. ते पाणी वचून शेतान वयतालें, पूण आतां ते सगळे पावसाक लागून आमच्या वटेन येतले आनी तेका लागून तो इशू जाल्लो आसा. आनी तेंच्यांनी आमकां बेश्टेच हितूर ओडला आनी आमची बदनामी केल्या. आनी संजय हरमलकराक ती सद्दी हें करताली म्हणून आमी फॅमिली इनवॉल्व जाली, पूण आमी तांकां तशें कितें कांय म्हणूंक ना. आनी ती आमकां सोशल मिडियाचेर फक्त बदनाम करूंक उठल्या आनी तेंच्यांनी आरोप केले ते सगळे खोटे आसा.
Hi, my name is Ashley Narona. I'm the founder president of Life is Beautiful NGO. As you could see in this video, you could see how a family has been harassed. You could see a girl who is Sanjay Harmalkar's daughter pleading for justice. As you can see here in my background, you can see the illegal construction that has been going on. Okay, you can see the gutter, the natural water flow which used to flow to the fields here nearby. Okay, here there are fields. Here you can see, I would like the cameraman to show the fields here. Okay, here there are fields from which this water would flow into the fields and people would do their irrigation here. Now, when a man, okay, files a complaint or raises his voice against an illegal construction, this is how the women have come out, and just to cover this illegal construction, they have put a false allegation against Sanjay Harmalkar. They said people who have done this have no moral ethics in life. Now, we have my NGO, we have supported Sanjay Almalkar. I personally know Sanjay Almalkar for years. My whole family knows him. I have never come across such dirty thoughts, or I was shocked to know that he's been falsely implicated, falsely accused of such an dirty charge. I humbly request the government and the police to investigate into the said matter. The police should have verified the facts before even registering an FIR and involving Sanjay Almalkar's name. Now, in the video that was viral on social media, in which a CCTV camera footage was shown, where on social media they say that Sanjay Almalkar was involved in the said assault and all that. If you check that video, Sanjay Almalkar is nowhere involved in it. Nowhere involved. You cannot even see him. He's not even present in that video. But this has been only done to tarnish his name. I humbly request the police department and the Honorable Chief Minister to please intervene into this matter, because a man's name and reputation is at stake. Thank you.